Here we come to the elevator at the Sugarland Ice and Sports Center in Sugarland, Texas. It's been like 10 to 12 years long since I've seen this elevator, and they unfortunately took off the Sugarland Ice and Sports Center logo off the elevator door, and they seem to have repainted it since then. But anyways, the elevator's still the exact same. It was installed in 1995. I have not seen this elevator in ages, like over a decade. Two. Another one. Here's your phone. Glad this elevator is running strong today. All right. There it goes, and that's it.